Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to recover deleted photos on iPhone. Now on your iPhone you have the option to locate your recently deleted photos. We're currently here on our photos, but we can go back to show you where you can find them. Now once you go back to your collections, you can see under utilities recently deleted. Once you tap on recently deleted, it's a locked folder, but for you to get into this, you'll need to use your Face ID or enter your passcode to view this album. So tap on view album, and this has used the photo ID, and currently there are no photos or videos that have been recently deleted. So let's go ahead and delete one photo and see how it works. Let's go back, locate a photo. Say you want to delete the photo with the Air Magic diffuser, tap and hold on it and delete. It says this photo will be deleted from iCloud Photos on all your devices. It will be in recently deleted for 30 days. Now, most times when we're deleting photos, we don't really take note of this, so we'll just simply tap on delete photo and that's gone. Now let's go back to locate it. We're going to scroll down again, tap on recently deleted, tap on view album, and there you have your photo. You could also see that you have 29 days. So that means that you have just 29 days for it to stay in the recently deleted. After 30 days, it will be deleted permanently. So in order to recover this, you can tap on it, tap on recover at the bottom right corner, confirm by tapping on recover photo once again. Let's go back to where we deleted it. And there you have the photo once again. So this is how to recover deleted photos on iPhone.